On a lazy Sunday, the parents attempt a peaceful brunch, while the kids orchestrate a cereal box concert and squeaky toys. The younger child bribes chores with stickers, while the older one crowns the sofa the royal throne. The mom misreads a sneeze as a kitchen alarm, triggering a dramatic safety drill that ends with napkin capes. Dad offers wisdom, but the dog steals the show, giving a slobbery verdict on sock fashion. In the end, laughter seals the bond, as photos freeze mid-pose, in imperfect perfection right before bedtime.